Hello everyone and welcome on this new technical analysis video on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and kindly leave a comment and share the video. Also, this is my last signal last Monday about the gold. As you can see, I set to buy the gold here exactly at 2637 and the gold actually went against us by almost 300 pips before I now finally become in profit. It was not really the best signal at all. I'm not so proud about it at all. However, I actually even have announced on my Telegram that after releasing my video by a few minutes only, a new update from the war in the Middle East has actually hit in the market, causing the gold to drop for over 500 pips. I remember 4 hour time frame. I remember exactly what's here. The gold has dropped for 700 pips right after releasing my video. That was so unfair and so unlucky. I even had to announce to close it in 100 pips of loss. So this signal, the gold was really unstable and it was really hard to trade. However, now what's next with the gold? What can we do next with this pair? That's the question. First of all, let me just now delete the old signal and let's now see what we can do next with the gold. So I would like first of all to go to the daily chart, and here we need to do something. I will show you right now one of the tricks that we do when we are trading actually, or when we use the magic of trend lines. Now, why do we call it the magic of trend lines? Because it's really working like magic. I mean, something like you never expect it to happen. Let me just show it to you. I'm trying to make the chart good and easy to be read. So for example, what we can do right now based on the daily time frame is to draw here a support trend line, and as you can see right now the gold is still respecting that level of a support trend line. Let's keep going. What I will do right now is simply clone the same line that I have just drawn here and basically just simply put it right here, right on the next level of a key support trend line, which lies exactly right here and right here and right here and there as well. It was also a resistance trend line. Keep going. Place it right now right on the next level of a resistance trend line, or a support trend line for that matter. As you can see right here exactly. Here we have a resistance trend line, became here a support trend line, support trend line, support trend line, then fake breakouts right here. So as you can see, the market actually was ranging right here. That is the time right here when there was actually some news coming from the Middle East. That's why we can see here the gold somehow unstable. Let's keep going. Again, clone the same and place it right here, right on the next level of a key and resistance trend line. As you can see right here, we have also a resistance trend line and resistance trend line and support trend line. What I'm trying to show you here is why this is called the magic of trend lines. Now, because if you now measure or actually take the pips like this from, if you cut it like that, from vertical view, now the pips should be almost the same. So meaning, how many pips is that? 340 pips. And the next one, 340 pips as well. And the next one, 340 pips as well. So as you can see, it's like a harmony. Every single time when the market reaches that area, it will be either overbought or oversold, and it will be reacting to that level of a resistance trend line. So what I'm trying to show you here is that the market is actually respecting those areas. Right now, let me just keep one of these lines. I don't want to delete all of them. Let me just delete these two. Now what we can see right now is the gold under the pressure of the support right here at 2606 right now is reversing, and judging from the previous support trend lines that we have drawn here earlier, now we can say that the gold is still actually respecting that level of a support trend line. Now what I wanted to show you also is this. Actually, let me just bring the line again like that. Okay, wait a minute, I don't want all of that. Let me just delete this. Sorry guys, I know this part might be boring, but we're just trying here to show you some of the techniques about trading. So now what I wanted to show you here is the 4 hour time frame. Now based on the 4 hour time frame, what can we see right now? What we see right here is something interesting. Look at the resistance trend lines. The market actually has ignored the resistance trend line. A strong bullish movement. Again, a broken out from the resistance trend line. And again, broken out from the resistance trend line. So a strong bullish momentum has been detected. But later on, what happened is when the market made here a bearish fall, it actually reversed right on the support trend line, and then reversed, and again reversed from the support trend line. So my point here is that the market made an instant bullish breakout from the resistance trend line and reversed at the supported trend lines, which means the bullish momentum right now is much stronger on the gold. So that being said, most likely now we can consider buying the gold right here exactly at the next level of the support trend line, exactly right here at this level of a support trend line right here exactly. So right now, after after the appearance of this fake breakout right here, now we can assume that the gold actually has a chance to fall again, respecting the same level of the support trend line, and afterward will continue the rise. How far to? It's just gonna continue the rise, in my opinion, till it reaches the previous level of a resistance right here and the support at 2,683, which means the gold still has around 380 pips more to go. Now the question is where exactly we can buy this pair. Let me just now delete everything here. So we have right now, let's just keep what we need. Now let's take a look at the left side, and as you can see right here clearly, we have also a previous level of a key support exactly at 2,633. That was of course a strong key level of the support. Now it should actually be respected. Of course I'm not responsible if it didn't, but it should respect it. From all technical perspectives I have learned in my life, it should actually reverse at this point. Now the safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than 220 pips, targeting around 500 pips of profit. Let me know, please write the signal for you. And there goes our new deal on the gold, my friends. I really hope it's gonna work. This should actually be a good signal, hopefully, if everything went well. Again, my friends, do not forget to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. I will send you here updates and warnings if the signal went against our direction, to close it in a small loss before it reached the edge of the safe zone. The channel here is Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. Another disclaimer that please, my friends, be careful and wise about trading the gold. It's really hard this week. I'm doing the best I can. Sometimes we win, sometimes we lose, but thankfully more winnings are coming, and we are doing, of course, the best we can. And of course, in the end, I'm not responsible at all about how the gold moves. I'm just analyzing it my way. You are free to take it or leave it. It's not fund management advice. It's just a forex signals and nothing more than that. In the end, we have to be careful and wise about how we trade the gold. Trade with the minimum lot size, please, and consider that every signal you are receiving here might actually fail. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.